Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're going to begin by verifying the essentials, so plug in your mic and run a brief recorder test to confirm input works. Next, open Chrome settings and go to Privacy and Security, then Site Settings and Microphone. Make sure the correct device is selected and not muted. Once done, check that meet. Google. Com is listed under Allowed Sites. If it's blocked, change it to Allow. This removes the most common permission barriers before deeper fixes. Now focus on the browser and system layer. Close and restart Chrome, then clear site data for Meet. Google. Com to remove stale permissions. On your operating system, open sound settings and set the desired microphone as default, raise levels above 50%, and confirm Meet has app-level permission. If problems persist, disable audio-related extensions or open an incognito window. Extensions are disabled there, so you can isolate interference. These steps eliminate software conflicts between Chrome, extensions, and your OS audio routing. Finish by joining a Google Meet and immediately open the in-call device settings. Select your microphone from the drop-down and speak to watch the input meter. If you still see no input, reboot the computer, try a different USB port or headset, or test on another browser or device to isolate hardware versus software failure. Make sure Chrome and your audio drivers are up to date, and if needed, open Chrome's Task Manager to end any stuck audio processes. This single troubleshooting tip often resolves lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.